Hi, I'm Dana Probert, Technical Marketing Manager for Infrastructure, and I'd like to introduce you to Autodesk BIM 360, the next generation of BIM. This video will focus on getting started with your Autodesk Infrastructure Modeler 360 account now that you have the add-in installed and you've received your account setup request information. So once you've received notification that your account's been set up, you can open up Infrastructure Modeler and go ahead and log in using the email address that you provided for your account. I'll sign in and see there's a default group already set up in the account that I'm a part of and one model assigned. But what I want to do is make my own group. So for my own project team that I am working with. So I'm going to go ahead and add a group called Team Probert, for example. And this will be a collection of users that I collaborate with on a regular basis. Or maybe it could be, a special group in your office. If you have different teams in your office, maybe you make up one per project. That's really up to you. So I've created this group and I want to add a few users. So first I'll add my colleague, Linda, and I can make her, I have some control over their role, each user's role. So I'm going to go ahead and make her an author. And then let's say, for example, I collaborate with someone from the city who has Infrastructure Modeler. So John Smith at the city that I'm working with on this project, and I could make him an author, a publisher, or simply just a reader if I wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and create my group with those users. They'll each get a notification in their email on how to go ahead and get started. They'll of course need the add-in installed in Infrastructure Modeler as well. So I'm going to switch over to that team and open up a model called Probert City. Now I want to go ahead and share this model, push this model up to the cloud so that I can collaborate with my two team members that I've just added. I'm given the option of publishing simply the master file, or as well I could select any proposals that I might already have in the model, choose which group I want to publish this to. There's a place for notes, and it'll take a few minutes to push this model up into the cloud where I can share it with those team members and begin collaborating and working through feasibility evaluations. So once I've added this model to the cloud, if I come in here and make a change, maybe I aggregate some more data from Geospatial Clearinghouse, or in this case I'm going to sketch in a pond, or I do some other work, I can press the synchronize button and get a list of everything I have here in my model and a note on what has changed. I can add a note about, I added a pond in the apartment complex, and when I press sync, it's going to update the information in the cloud so that the group that I'm collaborating with can synchronize the model on their end and get the most up-to-date information. So we can share information back and forth. And I'll go into a little bit more detail with a bit of a proposal scenario in the next video in this series. For more information about Autodesk BIM 360, visit our website at www.autodesk.com/BIM360 or find us on Facebook. Thanks a lot.